Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we have a 2004 Volkswagen Polo and we're replacing the wheel bearing on this one. So that's the old wheel bearing which was knackered. It was making a lot of noise, and to be honest, this is the first time I'm replacing one of these, because this one, to replace it, you just press it out from here. There's no circlips, nothing. And it comes with the hub all fitted all in together. So maybe the old school mechanics done a lot of these wheel bearings, but the modern ones, the hub itself is separate to the bearing, whereas this one, it's all in one piece and there's no circlips that hold it in place. So that's what we're doing today. Thank you for watching.